live? Okay. So if you notice, I put some tees around this hole right here.
Okay.
So again, going back to kind of what we talked about with the punch shots, we're kind of starting to think about stuff and strokes gained. So this right here is about a 3-foot circle. So from the tour average from inside here is 100%, right? They one putt every time. The next set of tees I have is 8 feet. So from there, the tour average is 1.5 is what strokes gained is based off. So they make it half the time, miss it half the time, right? Anything outside that is generally expected to be a 2, but obviously they'll make it every so often.
Yeah.
And there's different percentages based on the feet. Right? 4-footers, they're gonna make more putts from 4 feet than they're gonna make from 8 feet, but just for strokes gained purposes, for this drill that we're gonna do is based it off of the
Stroke gain.
Based it off of the strokes gained for chipping. So when you work on your chipping, put a couple of tees out like this, and if you put inside the 3-foot circle, you 1 putt. Inside the 8-foot circle, 1.5. Outside it, 2. And what you can do is you can take 10 shots or whatever, and work on and see how few strokes I'm getting. And if you want to add on to that, I brought your putter out here. So sometimes when you're practicing, you want to kind of simulate those game time situations, to really kind of hammer down the techniques. It's easy to just come out here and just kind of aimlessly hit chips.
Yeah.
That don't mean anything. So kind of giving yourself a drill, give yourself a game to do as a learning aid. Give yourself 8%.
Yeah.
I say you can practice your putting that way too. Got to give it some more. So I like to do this with a lot of my students. Chip until you get up and down 3 out of 4 times or whatever, from whatever distance we're working. So if we go do a couple from here, I'll give you a couple different chips. Here, 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 and then this will be the shots. So why don't you go to each one, we'll chip, and we'll see what your score is for 4 shots.
Yeah. Okay. 6.5. We should get some of those half strokes back. I'm gonna start with the close one. Get a little confidence.
That's right. Hey, those are good chips, right? Still at 6.5. Get 1.5 back. It's okay. putt.
Always left, huh?
Right. So it kind of puts in perspective, right? So you're not going to make all these shots,
Yeah.
right? Your expectancy isn't to make these shots,
Yeah.
right? That's why it's good to kind of chip and work on chipping it close. So when you work on your chipping, you work on trying to get as close as possible.
Yeah.
And you do your game time situations. Like if you hit that chip here, you're not thinking like, okay, that was okay. That's it's a solid chip, and it is, right? You're not bleeding bladed over the green like
Yeah.
we were earlier, right?
Yeah.
We're chunking it, right? You got onto the green and gave yourself a chance of making the putt, but you're statistically more likely to make the putt the closer you get.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why this is a really, really good drill.
Proven.
It's good stuff.